So guys, now we have to, this is the continuation of the PLC. So you have to remove these wires in order to get this programmable controller. So by the way, this is inside, what's inside this PLC, this one here. So you have to remove this one here, and you can also remove this. After we remove the screws, you can also unscrew this one, so that you can remove this properly, and you will not be having trouble in checking what's inside of this programmable controller. Okay guys, we'll remove this one. Also, when removing some of the components like this, when dealing with this kind of stuff, don't forget to unplug the main power, so that you will not be get shocked by the current. Always do safety. Twist this one, and it's very hard. See, just twist. Now guys, this it's up to you also. There's another wire here, the bottom, you can see it. You can also remove that, or it's up to you if you will remove it or no. For me, I will not remove it, because I can just do something like this, because it will be a lot more complicated of so many wires. It takes time also. It takes time to unscrew all necessary screws to be taken out. It really takes time. Now slowly we can dismantle this one. Okay. always be careful in unplugging some wires from the power supplies. This one. So this is what's inside the programmable controller. We have the main board here and we have a supply board, and this one will be the, I think this is the, yeah, was the output port. So now we will be checking this relays. If we check this relays, if because before I have also fixed this one. Have fixed. I see also the relays are most commonly the problem. That's why the terminals are shorted. That's why the light goes simultaneously and without sometimes without putting supply. When you turn the main switch on, it just goes on. So we'll check the release. You can use analog or digital multimeter. So I will use this analog and I will set to ×1. Just we'll check the continuity. Get a pen so that you can put X to the relay that is damaged, because we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 relays. We will check one by one. Number 2 relay is shorted. Four relay is shorted. Six relay is shorted. So we have here number 2 relay shorted, number 4 and number 6 are shorted. So we will replace them. I have this relay for spare. relay value is 25 volts DC. So we'll take out each relay one by one.